City, and we have a lot of exciting things that we've come here to do. And basically, we are apartment hunting because Karan is going to move to New York City. बता दिया सब. बताओ explanation दो क्या किस चीज़ के लिए move कर रहे हो?
Job है.
And today we're gonna be like completely traveling in like subways, rides and whatnot. We've put our car in the parking garage, which is over there, and it's like $27 for one day. And we're gonna take the subway. We have like 4 or 5 different apartments lined up that we're gonna see. And honestly, like the rent here is crazy expensive. We're getting like really tiny apartments, but we've come here just for one day to kind of look through all of these apartments, see if there's anything we like, because next week Karan has to move to New York City. So he's not going to be with us for too long, and you'll be seeing less of him. Kuch batana hai?
Bye.
So that's what we're doing today. It's going to be really exciting. So the first apartment that we are seeing is this one in Jersey City. It's called Journal Square, and we're here at the reception. It's a very nice building. It's super tall, I think. So basically these are the 2 buildings that they have, and it kind of oversees the entire New York skyline. Technically it's not in New York, but it's close enough that you can take the subway and you can, you can commute there. So we're done with apartment 1, and this is the apartment that we looked at. They have some really good choices. A lot of them face the city and very expensive. So it's between the 3 options that we got for a studio apartment is between $2,550 and $2,800 per month for 400 to 570 square feet. So that's like the kind of like the range, and they face the city. They're very small. Appliances and everything are new. Aapko kya laga?
Brooklyn.
Next stop, we're going to Brooklyn. We have a couple apartments that we're going to see there, but this is a really good pick just because मेरे को ऐसा लगा था कि like they're providing a lot of amenities. जो बाकी की space है, there's just so much. You have like there's like this one entire floor that's just dedicated to their own gym. Honestly, it's better than the gym that we go to right now, that we pay for separately. Toote-foote switches. So this is the entire living room. फिर वहाँ पे bedroom है, and then there's a washroom, and यहाँ पे entryway और washer dryer यहाँ पे है, जो एक like single है. So not the best, but at least घर के अंदर है. स्मेल तो है थोड़ी. सफाई कम है और थोड़ी उसकी स्मेल है like I don't know, like paint या कुछ. And this is I think $2,650, $690, so $2,700. Pretty nice size. Washroom, like all the nice.
The floor plan is different. So we're in F, E next to us. It's the same floor plan, but flipped the opposite way. So the kitchen's on the left here. It's on the right on 18 and 23. Now, what's really nice about that? Oh, so if the train's going by right now, you do get some train noise in the apartment, but it is very minimal. I always make sure to point it out.
Okay, so we're done with all 3 apartments. The last one that you saw was in Brooklyn, the last 2, and it's different than the first one that we saw. So we're considering all of the 3 options. I think we're probably gonna go with the first one. The area was nice, and like the amenities, the gym, all of like the spaces that you guys saw. Honestly,
फोर्थ जा ही नहीं रहे
हाँ
फोर्थ तो जा ही नहीं रहे
फोर्थ, हाँ फोर्थ प्रॉपर्टी में हम जा ही नहीं रहे। क्यों?
फोन नहीं उठा रहे थे
हाँ, काफ़ी अच्छी जगह थी वो. It was here in Brooklyn, and they're not picking up our phone. We were in touch with them with email, and they're like, just ignore, I guess. And we're so tired, exhausted, and like subway station देखो, like literally काफ़ी ज़्यादा चलना पड़ता है. So it's 9:30 and we are here in New York City.
जर्सी सिटी
Jersey City, in a place called क्या था? Indian Square. India Square.
जनरल स्क्वायर इंडियन स्क्वायर
एंड इस पूरी रोड पे सारे इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट्स और स्वीट्स और पता नहीं क्या क्या है. एंड हमें बड़ी मुश्किल से वहाँ पे पार्किंग मिली है. एंड बीकानेर के सामने, बीकानेर वाला, हम $50 की चाट खाए. बेसिकली हमने एक पापड़ी चाट, एक डीलक्स थाली ऑर्डर आ भी रहा है, एंड पाव भाजी, रसमलाई और लिटरली 4 पीस मिठाई के, 2 लड्डू, 2 मिल्क केक, $51. एंड दिस इज़ आवर पाव भाजी एंड दैट्स आवर थाली एंड स्वीट्स, रसमलाई, मिठाई. कैसी है? टेस्ट टेस्ट अच्छा कर लिया? टेस्ट टेस्ट ऑलरेडी कैसा है? So we just wrapped up dinner, and इस पूरी road पे, like you guys can see here, there are like Indian restaurants on both sides. There's like a temple, all sorts of Indian cuisines, dessert places, and it's past 10 p.m. and it's like a really nice vibe. Check this out. Like this really does like feel like we're just walking in India. The whole street is filled with just Indian restaurants and sweet shops, and it's all sorts of cuisines like North Indian, South Indian, temples, jewelry stores, whatnot. I think there's like a temple ride over here. Check this out.